Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to use one of the card bases from the May 2021 Batter Up Paper Pumpkin Kit to create this friendship card. I'm using the Positive Thoughts stamp set, and we used the leaves, the butterfly, and the Friends Like You Mean More Every Year greeting. So I've already cut out or stamped and cut out the greeting and the butterfly using the die from the bundle, and I've done this in early espresso. So what I did is I took the card base and the leaves and I inked them up really well and then just stamped right on the card front. Just randomly moving it around so that there are it's good coverage. You can come in, and if you think it's a bit thin, you can just go in again and add a little bit more in. And if you want a little bit more up the side, you can just come in up the side like that. So that is the stamping right on the wood tone card front. Then I just dimensionalized the butterfly, and it's on very vanilla. So I've just popped that on and just layered it right on the card. Now with this one, I put the greeting on, and it's just flat to the card, and then I just cut a banner end on it. So I'm just coming in from the edge like that, and then coming back in again from the other side. And then if I need to, just finishing it off that last little bit. So there's your banner, and it goes flat onto the card. I didn't dimensionalize this one. I wanted it to feel like it was coming straight off the side of the card. And then I just put it right up against the edge and layered it down. So there you go. There's another card using elements from the May 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Batter Up. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more cards.